Welcome back for the my sixth class for HPLM 12.5. Okay, let's minimize this and here, oops, we don't want to work on this. Let's not worry about it. It's recording fine. Let's see here. This was my previous class. Let's close this one too. Here in this class, what we'll discuss is how to import your test cases. Let's say you're not written your test cases in HPLM, right? Let's log into HPLM once again. Authenticate. So what happens is, in some scenarios, let's say here is test plan, right? Where you write the test cases, test plan, not in test cases. Not in test lab. You execute your test cases in test lab. Okay, you write your test cases only in test plan. Remember that. All right. Now that's a very good question. Here the thing is, let's assume since we already have written test cases, we already have these test cases. Now, I should have copied some of those. Let's see how this works. So what happens is, you already have a test case, right? No, we don't actually. I don't have test case, but let's assume we have a test case, and I'll open my Excel sheet. Don't worry about this pop-up windows. This is for my system is not good, so there's not a pop-up window for Excel. So what happens is, let's assume that you already have test cases. Let's assume, right? Yeah, just don't worry about this pop-up windows. Okay, now let's click on this and okay, so it's taking some time. Let's say you have not written your test cases in this project, right? In this one you have not written, but there are test cases in the Excel. Okay, let's say there is a test cases in the Excel, and you want to import into HPLM, right? Import into HPLM. There is a way to do this. There's a way to do this one. Let's find out how. So for that reason, probably, oops. Okay, I will go to, I don't think I can open another window. There's no possibility of opening another window here. Okay, I have to log out through here, and then I have to go. Okay, so there is no way for me to open a new window because HPLM doesn't allow you to open a new window actually. Okay, now let's go to here pretty quick. No, we don't want to be quick. We take time. So go to the tools. You're not doing this. This will be done by HPLM administrator, but I'm showing you. For some reason I'm showing you. Okay, this is not required. I mean, this is not required for you, but for our understanding. So what you want to do is you want to download. If you're practicing at home, you want to download this and go to Addin, Microsoft Excel Addin. Okay, once you go to Microsoft Excel Addin option, since let's assume that you have test cases here, we don't, but let's assume, still working on it. So once you go into that add-in, right, you want to install that add-in. Seriously? I mean, I was not expecting this, but okay. That's funny because it was working yesterday and suddenly today. I mean, that's a least of worries because first class, remember I explained you, probably you can go to that. Way too bad. Oh, Okay, actually the internet is not working right now. Just give me a moment. Just there's some internet issue at my place. So what happens is, what if I possibility of connecting? I don't have any other internet. So okay, good. Let's hope it's working now. Okay. Oh yeah, there was some internet issue. Luckily, I'm not doing this online. Online would have been a disaster, since this is offline and I'm recording it. So, this is I can take some time and I can do this. So that's fine. Internet connection is actually required. So let's wait for a while. And I probably can use a different internet possibly. Let's see here. Probably the internet is getting restarted. So alright, it's still okay, it's online, very good. Now we got the internet. Now what happens is you got this here, and here you go here, and once you go here, you see here Microsoft Excel Addin. You click on this add-in, and if you see here, so you will not be doing this, but I'm showing you. Now what installing ALM Microsoft Excel Addin. Once you do that, you go to install option, and once you this is too much work around. Who does this? But there is actually a different URL. Actually, this is from Microfocus. This reviews is not so good. 83 reviews. This is, to be honest, it's I'll get at least 3 out of 5. This is like 2 out of 5 is pretty bad share. But nevertheless, even if in the Udemy, I'll be having better reviews than this, to be honest. So, well, probably not, but never mind. So here you have this option. Since we are using 12.5, you see here 12.5, download it. Since I already downloaded and install, you probably may or may not require administrative access, but at workplace you will not be doing this. This is for your idea, for your knowledge. Once you install it, once it's done, you just close on this, and we go to our login. So once you install, right, there is add-in. If you show up here, see here, this particular add-in shows up because it gets installed in Microsoft Excel, only in Excel. You can do it in Microsoft MS Word, MS Excel. You can do for probably MS Access too. It's not required, but you can have this option and authenticate. You want to log in it. Once you log in it, now this is the option here. Okay, now what you want to do here is, once you log here, you log in here, right? You're logged in into, actually you're logged into, let me show you pretty quick. You're logged into, technically you're logged into HPLM from Excel. You're logged into HPLM from Excel, and what's the actually exact location? Here you are logged in actually. So let's go ahead and see what's happening. You want to go ahead and create mapping. Go ahead and create mapping and select entity type. Okay, so here you actually select which entity type you want. Requirement, test, defects or test. So we want to go to test, and 3 fields are mandatory. Okay, so but what we need here is description and expected result, right? Is there anything? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. Use step name, description, expected result. Okay, this is the important thing what you want. So these are the columns that is, we are putting in test. Okay, and click on, oh, I'm sorry. So here, this is which column do you want to fill in Excel. So I want this in A, that means this is A. Okay, this will be in B, this will be on C, this will, I mean, you can put anything you want, but I'm going in order fashion, so E, F. So these are the columns what the Excel sheet has to be done. So this header gets updated, just watch. Click on OK. You see here, this thing got updated. So these are the headers. Now this is the framework. This is the framework what you need to work it out. Alright, now let's see here what's happening. Subject. So subject, this is the subject. So since subject, what I'll put in, since all this is already the name GMO Online, so what we want to create is too much GMO Online. We would Udemy GMO Online. Okay, and let's do this. Now this is the very important thing. Manual. You want to put manual. If it's automated, you can put at automated. Test name. Oh, test name is, you can give whatever. Test name is actually the location. What this is the test name, right? GMO Online project. So probably I'll put the same name. It doesn't matter. All right. So this is the most important and critical part of it. If you are not using this, it will never get uploaded into your HPLM tool, right? So that's very important. Now, since we already have these test cases, can I upload this? Oh, copy. I'm very lucky to have this. I'm really very lucky, really, to be honest. Okay, very good. So we'll just use this one. Okay, so this doesn't matter basically, but I'm really obsessed with my Times New Roman and font thing, so sorry about that. So this thing doesn't make any difference in here. Sorry, but so okay. So this is what we want to get uploaded into. You can save it actually. We'll save it desktop probably, and I mean, you can save it. You don't want to save it, that's fine. But we'll save it. Oh, oops, not here in desktop. We call it test cases. Doesn't matter actually. Whatever it is. Okay. Now what's happening is all your test cases will upload here, called the name Udemy GMO Online. There will be a new folder. Oops, we don't require this. We'll close this. There will be a new folder called Udemy GMO Online. But before that, what you want to do here is select this here and click on validate. Let's see, it's validating. Oh, validation passed. Very good. Congratulations. Now, what you want to do is upload to ALM. Let's find out what's happening. It's uploading 37%. It's like, it's really taking time. Okay, great. So it successfully has uploaded all my test cases to HPLM. Really, I want to see that. You will see this. You don't see this because you never did refresh. Seriously, you want to do refresh. Now, once I did refresh, I will see the option. You see here, Udemy, Gmail, this was not there before. Okay, don't tell me that it was there before. Okay, go to this and see whatever we have done is uploaded here. Alright, so this is one of the things what I wanted to explain, how to import or export. Import. So you are importing, right? Upload. You just say it as upload. This is I get pretty much confused with import and export. Export is like, pulling out, and import is pulling in, something like that. So you get pretty confused on that. Okay, so we'll upload this. We uploaded this into HPLM, and all the you see here the test cases are all here, right here. Okay, this is how we do when you have the test cases, but you want to follow this framework. Because to follow this framework, you want to use this mapping and then create a framework for yourself, and then you write your test cases in Excel and validate it. Is it good? Then you upload into HPLM. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so that's pretty much on. Let's log out. And you see, so that's pretty much on using how to use a Excel sheet to upload your test cases to HPLM. Okay, so that's pretty much. Unfortunately, don't have access for HPLM, so unfortunately you cannot do this. I'm really sorry of that, but I hope you found this video tutorial useful, at least in your workplace. If you have given work in Excel, say that this is the test case, upload into HPLM, this is how you do it. Okay, that's pretty much, and then you can go into test lab and create again the same thing, create a new thing again, upload it, and the same thing continues forever, so you can do that. So that pretty much ends up with the Excel thing, and we will continue this in the next class, reports, and with that we will end this HPLM tutorial. As like introduction probably, because I never went on all this. You could have created releases, all these things we didn't discuss about this. Not that I don't want to, we are running really short of time, sort of. I'm running short of time. So, so that's pretty much, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.